Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to raise your skills using the Explain Everything app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Explain Everything app, then go to the home page, which is on the left side of the screen, and at the home page you just have to go to the top of the screen where you can see these four icons: the new, invite, join, and raise skills. Now tap on the raise skills, and as you can see, here are a few levels that you can take to learn how to use the Explain Everything app correctly and be the best version of yourself. So you can start with the general section where you can learn how to write, move, doodle, and share. At the recording section you will learn how to I just started the lesson. Okay, let's go back. Should go out like this and open again. So at the recording section you should see these go to 11, and does the apple fall far. There. After that there is interactions section, which has 5 lessons in it, and the last section is collaborations. If you go through all of these sections, you will learn all the different functions and techniques in the Explain Everything app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.